In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the missing dll Msvcp100.dll on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we need to install the Visual Studio redistributable package. So go to the Windows search bar and open a browser. Let's say for example Chrome. Click on it under the best match. I'm going to share to you the link in the description section of this video so that you can go directly into it. Scroll down and you'll find the option for the link that you need to download. So check the system information of your Windows 11 so that you will know what is the architecture of your Windows. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Check the system type and I am a 64-bit. So click the download link for the or that corresponds to the architecture of your Windows. That will be downloaded from here. Click on the folder icon. Then double click on that. Click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install and wait for this to be installed into your Windows. Now once installed, all you have to do is you need to right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, okay? And the next thing that we can do is to re-register the DLL file. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click run as administrator in the right pane. Copy this command which will be posted in the description section of the video and then hit enter. Okay, and type exit, hit enter, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.